कहते हैं मन में चल रहे विचारों के युद्ध को किताबें ही शांत कर सकती हैं। इसी कड़ी में एनेक्डोट पब्लिशिंग हाउस द्वारा नई दिल्ली के ग्रेटर कैलाश के कुंजुम बुक्स में लेखिका ऊर्जा जोशी की लिखी किताब 340 AM फ्रॉम हार्ट टू हेड बुक लॉन्च की गई। इसमें चीफ गेस्ट के रूप में रोमिता खुराना साहनी, स्पेशल गेस्ट के रूप में गरिमा श्रीवास्तव ने अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति से कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। कार्यक्रम में आए अतिथिगण का पुष्पगुच्छ भेंट देकर उनका स्वागत किया गया। बता दें कि ऊर्जा जोशी प्रसिद्ध लेखिका हैं जो अभी तक कई किताबें लिख चुकी हैं। उनकी किताब येलो बहुत ही चर्चित रही है और अब अपनी एक और किताब 340 AM फ्रॉम हार्ट टू हेड का विमोचन किया और अपनी किताब के बारे में कहा, जब हम 3 बजे से 4 बजे के बीच होते हैं तो हम बिल्कुल शांत होते हैं। उस समय हमारे दिल से लेकर दिमाग में कुछ नहीं होता है, हमें बस शांत रहना अच्छा लगता है। उस समय हम खुद से बात करके खुद को पहचानने की कोशिश करते हैं। रोमिता खुराना साहनी ने कहा, खुद से प्यार करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। जो लोग अपने आप से प्यार करते हैं वही अपने दिल और दिमाग पर नियंत्रण रखने में सफल होते हैं। साथ ही गरिमा श्रीवास्तव ने कहा, दिल और दिमाग की कहानी बहुत है। दिल हमेशा एक और मौका मांगता है, लेकिन दिमाग हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। कार्यक्रम में प्रश्न उत्तर का सत्र भी रखा गया, जिसमें लोगों ने लेखिका ऊर्जा जोशी से कई सवाल पूछे और अपने प्रश्नों के जवाब पाए।
Tell about yourself and your book.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Urja Joshi. I'm an published author, an illustrator, a podcaster and a performer. So today we are here to celebrate the launch of 340 AM, and this book talks about the constant dilemma between logic and emotion. So we have a character who has narrated this entire book named Zara, and at the end she finds a balance between this beautiful balance between her head and her heart. So we are constantly talking about topics like desperation, grief, heartbreaks, and then we are moving towards, in the head part, topics like acceptance and then hope and a lot of growth. So I think these are the themes that you can expect. You can also expect a lot of feminism and equality in society, and other topics like, you know, dealing through confidence issues, and then everything a growing person, especially in the early 20s. So which is I also recommend that this book is especially suitable for young adults. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Garima Srivastav and I am a poet by heart. So it's a competition always between the head and the heart, and in poet's language I will always call, you know, the heart wins unless until your heart beats. The rhythm of your mind cannot speak. So this is and this book by Urja is a wonderful book, and it has the poetry, prose and art combination. So the poetry is written like a prose, but it appeals to the heart like poetry. Plus there's art in it, a lot of illustrations with which the readers can relate with the book, a beautiful cover, and 340 AM is always an auspicious time to, you know, think about something and start on a new journey. So yeah, it's a wonderful.
Everyone, I'm Romita Khurana Sahani. I'm an author. I'm the founder of Avid Readers Club, and I'm also the PR person with Newsmaker Media. And thank you so much, Urja, for inviting me here for the book launch of 340 AM from heart to head. और जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि मेरे हार्ट के पास दिमाग नहीं है और मेरे दिमाग के पास दिल नहीं है. So this is a very beautiful description of this book, and it has been wonderfully written by Urja. And this is a, you know, constant tiff between the heart and the head that she has described through the protagonist Zara. And Zara has a lot of emotion. She has grief. She's in depression. She's had her heartbreaks, and which she's been, you know, I think the author has written this book in this divine period of 340 AM, and that's why she has named it this way. And it's a beautifully depicted book, and I think everybody should read it. But before that, I have written few words after I read this book, which I would like to recite it to you all. And this book is divided into 3 portions. First is heart, then is your head, and then is the soul. And जब soul की बात आती है तब हम बात करेंगे self love की. So she has also illustrated it so beautifully in the book that I couldn't take my eyes off it. There were some bricks that she had placed and she had written confidence over there on each brick, and the above she had written it for fragile. Yes, our souls are very fragile and quite impressionable. So I would like to recite, I could hear my heartbeat, even in the cacophony. That means I can hear my heartbeat. बहुत सारे शोर में भी मैं अपने दिल की आवाज सुन सकती हूँ. I quietly blended my shades of naivety amongst the dazzling glitterati. मतलब इतनी सारी रौनक में मैंने अपने आप को किसी तरह एडजस्ट करा. I tried to mingle and smile. Even then, I was bogged down with ennui. In the grandeur, glamour affair, my soul was solitary. I was belittled for my visage. Still, I stood tall, confidently. I don't need anyone's validations. My love for myself sets no boundaries. In the end, I would like to say congratulations, Urja. Keep up.
Hi, I'm Khushi and I was the host for the day. So आज हमने 3:40 AM from Heart to Head, a book which is written by Urja Joshi, हमने उस book का launch किया है, and this is published by Anand Group Publishing House, and she has beautifully portrayed the thoughts that arrive at our minds and in our hearts at 3:40 AM, and when you will read this book you will know that how the thoughts and your actions trigger and then accordingly convey your actions, and you will also know about all the thought processing and overthinking that goes around at night, and when you strategize for something which is not happening, or whenever you are healing from something which is not happening. So yeah, it was an amazing poetry book written by her and you will thoroughly enjoy reading it. Thank you.
Thank you.